How to view trending songs on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily view the trending songs on Instagram. So first thing, simply head over to your Instagram, and before I do this, just remember that your trending songs will be based on your geography. So make sure you have selected the right country. So first thing what you're going to do is simply head over to your profile once you are logged into your Instagram account, and just click on this professional dashboard. And before you do this, just make sure you have turned your account to professional mode so that you can easily see this option called trending audio. So as you can see, once I'm inside my professional dashboard, just click on this trending audio, and based on my region, it will show all of the trending audio based on the reels, on my location, and the people I follow on my Instagram. So that is exactly how you can easily find and locate the trending audios on Instagram. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.